Pretty cool seeing the sunlight sparkling through this rain. A nice end of the day. Everybody down there looks pretty happy. One of the nice things about gardening here in the Eureka Springs area, northwest Arkansas, is that we get these cycles of rain and sunshine. And now we're getting one where it's trying to do both at the same time. So far this year, I haven't had to irrigate at all. The natural rain cycle every few days, followed by some warming suns, has really brought the garden along. If you're enjoying these Red's garden videos and find them helpful, hit that like and subscribe button.